You guys, what do you think about this countertop we did here at RK3? You can watch the full process video on RK3 Designs YouTube soon. How fun. I love this countertop. If you want to see the whole process, you can check out our friends at RK3. This is their shop. They do mostly countertop finishes, but she is super, super talented. And I think that if you're an artist, that you should never not look at other types of artwork in order to get inspired. And I always leave this place feeling fully inspired. So check them out, RK3 Designs. I'll leave a link down in the description.